Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create this pitch parapet in Revit. Let's get started. So what we have here is just a wall, but instead of us clicking the roof, you will need to click Component, Model in Place, and look for Generic Model. Press OK and press OK again. Now you will need to select Sweep and then pick Path. I will select the edges of the exterior wall. And then I'll go to floor level number 1 or 2. I'll choose the floor level 1 just to see where I need to close or trim it. So now click Trim and select the lines that you need to fix. So once you're done, you can then finish. And before we click Edit Profile, you will need to go to South Elevation. So I double click South Elevation and then click Edit Profile. So once you click the Edit Profile, you can create the design of that pitch parapet. So now I'm just going to make it simpler. And then just click Finish and then Finish again. And then click the last finish. Let's go to 3Ds to see. And as you can see, it created this design all over the edge of the wall. So next, let's go to floor level number 2. And we just need to create the flat roof. So let's click on Roof and then uncheck Define Slope. And now let's just select the inner side of the wall. And then click Finish. And let's go to 3D again. So now we have the flat roof and then the pitch roof here. So now we created the pitch parapet roof. If there's in any way you want to change the design of the pitch parapet, you can double click it and then select Profile and Edit Profile. So here you can edit the profile again. So let's go to South Elevation. You can make this smaller. You can design more. So maybe you want this to do it like this. And then you could just trim. You can also create more design here. Delete this. And then you just need to finish and go to your 3D and see what you created. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.